I don't know how to play this. Is it? Should I stop and play here and accept this like this? Seems this knight move is also good. Let me search with AI, but I've never seen it this before. And oh, here it seems very passive. I don't know. So beginning, yeah, even this looks a bit passive, but okay. Here obviously black was wrong here, that's why I was leading. Even here black is not good. So I think almost yeah, sorry, he's maybe reviewing now. I'm sorry, maybe I need to do self-review. I think here black was having super overplay. Now tenuki here was really impossible. Here tenuki. There are many things. Those things also sente, and I can just decide whatever that I want. I had too many options. Was I too happy for that? Even I think maybe this might be better than actual game. I can just use a very obvious move like this, because I was holding up one eye here. It seems easier. Oh, here. That was super bad exchange. I thought this Tetsuji was gonna work, but it was nothing if black doesn't have an overplay. Even black can switch now. Yeah. I had too many bad exchange. Yeah, just now actually when I play here, I couldn't find the solution, so I was just waiting. If black just accept here, then I think it was okay. I don't think I can save 3 stones. Yeah, here I will get more damage. So when he plays here, I need to block and then he can just jump. Still, I think black should be better because I lost here. I was attacking just now, but what did I do? I just blocked here. That was only that I get and totally got nothing. And then black was leading. Since he plays here, it was become much complicated. And here I think attacking was also not strong enough. Black was supposed to do, I don't know whether Hane was better. He need to attack better at the lower side when they check in the actual game. Why I could win this game was when I had a sacrifice. Firstly, I got this bad exchange. I can surround here later, and secondly, and when I throw this away, I don't think black can just step back something like this, because now if I just capture the upper side, still white territory is not bad. So in the actual game we had a retrading, but this was also bad, very bad exchange. I don't know whether he missed this move. Yeah. So yeah, since I just sacrificed the upper corner, now white is leading. Oh, but here also, in the last Boyomi, I was in trouble. Was it? I think black should play this move. At least this is much better than actual game, isn't it? Yeah. This here, 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 here should be much better because he can catch up the sente. This is also sente, but I had a many happy exchange after this. Yeah, somehow now black is impossible to win. Later, if black doesn't play there, then in the here is also cool. This is flower cool. And so when I play here, even though black didn't have any accident, I think white is already leading by territory condition. Yeah, starting from now, if I get in this coup, actually black has no coup threat. There is, you know, the factory of a coup threat. Yeah, so white was winning. Okay. I really don't like my game quality today. Thank you so much. Let me ask to my teacher. Oh, it was 7.5. Go me. Okay, firstly here, I never seen it this move. Is it tricky? I don't even have to do anything, just Atari block here. Wow, and Tenuki. Such a deep meaning. If he connect, I can continue. If he extend here, that means I can switch anytime how I want. So if I just Tenuki, then black, even the black pincer here is very annoying to settle here. So here black, okay, after this move, okay, it was still not bad. 1, 2, 3. This was right move. But definitely from this fighting, black has got some point. He earned some point. Yeah, I think black really cannot consider such move nowadays. Wow, even this exchange is wrong direction. Later I need to consider this way after I play here. This is also bad exchange. Maybe I think AI is thinking this is super concentrated. Okay, I got it. Yeah, it seems a bit passive. Today even my where I decided was not even close to blue spot. I should push here. Okay, push was even supporting me. Always need to push. I see. That move I considered in the actual game. Okay, what if he jump? What should I do actually? I was keep thinking whether I need to Kusumi or many things was possible. But when he wanted to retrade here, yeah, it was horribly bad. Yeah, this was nearly losing move. And then this push made me happy too. And then just jump here. Hane, just I can play slowly. I don't even have to be hurried to use the Tetsuji. And even Tetsuji was a bit weird, I think. That means I can just sacrifice instead of, yeah. Sacrifice was better than saving. Even I was thinking for that, but today all of my decision was wrong direction. I was considering to have a sacrifice too. Because I've got so bad exchange from black, I can just throw this away. Okay, you see, now become gap is not so big. And then he Tenuki. I didn't have to be hurry, just using soft move was already okay. I didn't have to be hurry, just jump was okay. It was too much. Too much. It doesn't even work. How come? Trading was also not good. Wow. Really? This one just black is it? Like this. This was what he was showing me just now. So when he put here and this one, even this saving is better. Wow, it's very hard. I was just considering to throw that away actually. Anyway, it should be like this here and then block and jump. Just 1 point. Yeah, still long game. I knew that. When he push, I played here. Still black was not bad. And here, very messy game now. We don't even know who is attacking who. Still, white wasn't really good. Definitely here black made a bad aji. So here, then still long game. Oh yeah, in the actual game I can just push one time and then I can just 10 okay. Even this respawn wasn't really necessary. Sorry. This here, push one time. Atari, capture. White is a little bit better. Wow, even this decision is wrong. How come? You see? If he just captures and make the call. Oh, because this is light call for black. Black can make a lot of ghost right there. Oh, okay. So hard. Even this, okay. Since now black made a lot of mistake. This was a final losing move. And then here he tried to save this, but now save me. How come? Game quality. Lucky, still white was winning. Oh, sorry. Was here, this here. No matter how, still white was winning. Yeah. Yeah, now it's just I was too happy. Yeah, I can make all the sente, and there is also cool. Oh yeah, until now in this fighting, I don't know, game quality was really not good. Especially in this fighting, I was too rushed, too hurry. Somehow I was broken by myself. Yeah. Yeah, if surrounding was not okay, I can just step back like this. It was very easy actually. Then just white was leading enough. Okay, so today I think, I don't know, even game quality was not good. Anyway, I won by round 4. Yeah, 4th round. Okay, I think AI review is good enough. Yeah. If you are too hurry, your game will be like me just now.